Friends, today results of four states and one union territories assembly election declared, where in West Bengal, out of 294 seats, TMC TMC led by Miss Mamta Banerjee won 213 seats, BJP won 77 seats, and two seats won by other parties, left and Congress, like that, left bands like that. And two seats election have been postponed. So this is the picture of West Bengal, where entire BJP, along with its senior leaders Amit Shah, Modi, had made their shelter for the 1 month and making entire West Bengal into dragging West Bengal into a polarization states. BJP was of the view that they could polarize West Bengal in the name of Hindu-Muslim. Second one, Mr. Modi also visited Bangladesh for their 50th anniversary, independence anniversary, and addressed Matwa community there. Matwa, you know very well that it's a weaker community there in West Bengal and contributing around more than 20% population of West Bengal. It's in weaker section, scheduled caste, like that. So BJP was of the view that it can retain West Bengal with their media campaign, which they are boasting that we will cross 200 seats. Second one, they will make polarization by detaching Muslims from the West Bengal community, which is around 25% population of Muslims in West Bengal. Third, they can win with the support of scheduled caste OBC by, which is also a considerable population there, around 28% there, 25%. But all the BJP's equations shattered when they could win only 77 seats. And even comparing to the Lok Sabha elections results, where BJP won only, BJP get 40% vote bank and win 18 seats out of 42 seats, and Mamta Banerjee win 22 seats and getting 43 vote bank in 2019 Lok Sabha elections. So it was expected that BJP was of the view, by their media management and with their aggressive campaign, they could win West Bengal, but it couldn't materialize. Still, BJP is in a shock stage now, which they want that to after implementing after trying to implement CA and NRC in December 2019. It was a big reaction against BJP, and now it's clear that CA and NRC will not be accepted by the West Bengal people. Even Mamta Banerjee, who was chief minister there, and rejected the demand of BJP central government to implement an CNRC in their own state. So it's a win of Mamta Banerjee calculated strategy by making their slogan Amar Sonar Bangla, which materialized, and in the common man of West Bengal people, it gained. So from this elections, the central government led by Modi has to change its strategy to win the 2022 assembly election in UP and 2024 election in Lok Sabha election. Otherwise, BJP is going to be in a its downfall has started. To win this BJP, to win this election, they didn't even implemented COVID guidelines and made rallies like without mask and all, all the entire propaganda, but they couldn't succeed. Still, BJP will have to change their strategy. Otherwise, BJP is going to be wiped out from the national politics. And in 2024, in 2022, they would be wiped out from UP, and 2024 they would be wiped out from this Lok Sabha. So it's a big jolt for BJP. BJP, who was right from the beginning on their agenda of Hindu-Muslim in a radical way, but couldn't succeed. West Bengal people has slapped on BJP that they will not accept this BJP's hardcore Hindutva politics. So it's a scenario of West Bengal election. In next video, I will analyze all other states' election. Thank you. If you like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.